following contest is set for one fall with a 20-minute time limit. Introducing first, from Long Island, New York, Willow Nightingale.
2 weeks ago, as Willow Nightingale makes her way to the ring, Willow made a save, and it was just in the nick of time.
Getting involved in business that didn't occur to her. Nightingale coming out here and interrupting a post-match attack. But as we can see here, the tag team match was nearly getting a pound of flesh payback, but Diamante helping out Mercedes Martinez to pick up the victory. That was last week. Tonight, Nightingale is looking for a little bit of payback.